The best YouTrip budget travel strategy starts with treating your travel card as a control system, not just a payment tool. YouTrip works best when you preload only what you plan to spend, in dollars, and lock every other card away. This single habit prevents impulse overspending and foreign transaction surprises before they happen. Begin by setting a clear daily spending ceiling. If your total trip budget is $900 for 10 days, load $90 per day into YouTrip instead of the full amount at once. This keeps losses limited if your card is compromised and forces disciplined spending. Exchange rates on YouTrip are usually strongest on weekdays, so convert dollars early in the week and avoid weekend conversions when spreads quietly increase. Accommodation and transport should be prepaid online in dollars whenever possible. Flights, trains, and hotels paid in advance remove the largest variables from your budget and leave YouTrip for controlled daily expenses like food, transit, and attractions. For countries where cash is still essential, withdraw larger amounts less frequently. A single $200 withdrawal every few days costs less in fees than multiple $40 withdrawals. Always choose to pay in local currency, never in dollars, at terminals and ATMs. Dynamic currency conversion silently inflates prices and can add 5% to 10% to every transaction. YouTrip's strength is direct local currency spending at near interbank rates, and bypassing conversion prompts protects that advantage. Track spending inside the app at the end of each day and adjust the next day's load. If you underspend by $15 today, subtract it from tomorrow's load instead of rewarding yourself with extra spending. This rolling adjustment keeps the total trip cost predictable. Use YouTrip as your primary card, not your backup. Consistency is what makes the strategy work. When every coffee, bus ride, and meal passes through one controlled channel, budget travel stops being stressful and becomes measurable, efficient, and repeatable across any destination.